So when assembling, that pulley needs to be on top of the hitch before you put the hitch on. And then it goes, put that piece in place, which is the pulleys that go to the PTO, in place. So just leave it on the floor, but make sure that pulley is on top of the hitch there. So there's the hitch. Then put the hitch in. 2 bolts. 1, 2. Once you get those bolts in, then this piece goes in. There's a cotter pin up there. That goes in first. Also hooks on there. The light's too bright, but kind of see that. And then right there, don't put that bolt in actually yet. Then you put this over the mounting for the hitch, and then that goes over that, and then you put the bolt in. All right. Once you get that in, then you're gonna put the snowblower on. Snowblower goes on here, but you gotta lift it up at an angle like this, because this has to hook in. There's bolts on the other side of this that go through. So this has got to go snap in. So you put this in first, leaning it like this, and then lower it until these snap in. Then once you do that, under here, you gotta hook it to there. There's this guy right here. If you pull it, will loosen the tension on here, and then you could just pull it, put it over the guide, and then put it here, and then just let go of this guy and it'll lower onto that. So that's what it looks like under here. Those are the bolts right there. There's a cutout here. This just kind of goes in first, going this way. This bolt here, cotter pin. Then you put this on this bolt here, and then just that one. This bolt right here you could do first. So order is going to be the hitch, making sure that this piece is on the floor, and then this guy has to be over the hitch before you put the hitch up.